Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on the correct way to open up an SX-70. Hold it in your left hand along the base panel, and you'll notice that the viewfinder has these little scalloped edges. Basically what you want to do is pull the two halves of the camera apart from one another, like so. It's a good idea to make sure that the erection arm is all the way pushed forwards, but that is how it works. To close the camera, you just push in the direction of the little arrow on the erection arm and collapse it down. If your camera feels very hard to open, like you're really struggling with it, then odds are it needs a service and the clasps adjusted. So I'll show you just once more. Hold the scalloped edge of the viewfinder, pull the two halves, and make sure the erection arm locks in. The reason that I'm making this video is I see so many people completely screw it up. They think that you have to pop the viewfinder up first and then open it up. There's absolutely no need for that. You just pull the two halves of the camera and the viewfinder will come up on its own. Fiddling around with it too much can end up resulting in your fingers slipping and damaging the metal blinds, and I see that a lot as a repair technician. So again, once more, grab the scalloped edge, hold the base of the camera, pull. Now, I would also like to point out that that advice was written in the original SX-70 Quick Start Guide, which shows you quite simply how to open the camera. And it was also included in every copy of the original SX-70 instruction manual. And on that note, if you don't have a copy of the instruction manual, feel free to just simply Google it, and there are tons of scanned PDFs available. The reason that I bring this up is this manual is filled with all kinds of handy advice on how to use the camera, how to operate it properly as Polaroid intended, and it just gives a lot of great advice in regards to good picture taking, how to focus the camera, how to use flash. It's filled with very, very handy stuff. So yeah, I highly recommend, and I'm going to put some links in the video below as to where you can get your hands on some of the manuals. I really recommend the SX-70 Sonar manual in particular because it was the final version and it's filled with what I think is the best advice. And it doesn't really matter if you've got the original Model 1 and it's not a Sonar, you can simply just ignore the parts that aren't relevant to your camera because all SX-70s function the exact same way. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video because I see so many people on Instagram and doing little reels showing off their new cameras that they've recently acquired, and it seems an overwhelming majority of people just don't know how to open one of these properly. So yeah, don't lift up that first. There's absolutely no need. You risk breaking things if you do that. Just simply hold the base of the camera, the little scalloped edge is where your fingers and thumbs go, and then it just opens up like so. And yeah, like I said, if yours is difficult to open, then odds are it needs a service, so you can send it to a technician like myself if you want something completely overhauled like this one here. Hope this video was helpful. I'll leave links in the video description below as to where you can get your hands on some of the original literature if you want to have a further read. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to cover quick content like this again, leave some suggestions in the comments below. Hope you have a nice day.